In this video, we are going to discuss a stock that is under $20 and that could rally 30%. Now, we are going to talk about the key entry points that I see, and we're going to talk about the price targets as well as some news that I just found out about 2 days ago. This is one of the stocks that I'm very bullish on. I absolutely love it. It is ticker symbol CLPT. That's ticker symbol CLPT. It is ClearPoint Neuro. A lot of people mistake this for a biotech, but it's actually working with 40 other companies. It's not as high risk as a biotech that's just like trying to get FDA approval. It's basically the pick and shovels and not the actual gold. So I absolutely love this stock. I think it's being very underestimated. So we're going to look at the charts and see what's going on with this, because I am seeing some bullish action. It had a beautiful breakout today. It was one of the strongest stocks out there today. And as you can see, we will go to the daily. This is the daily right here. You can see this nice bullish crossing of the 20 MA, and you can see that there is this nice green candle right here, and it just broke through that resistance. So it was very nice, and we're getting close to this 200 MA. I'm expecting it to rally up just because of all of the bullishness I'm seeing. Now, if we go to the RSI, just wanted to show you a little bit of this. It looks like it's going to go up into the overbought territory next time. So that is very nice. And you can see the MACD is even curling up, which is great. So we do have some bullishness as far as that is concerned. So I love to see that. And if we just go over here, there's plenty of room to run with this one. There's so much room to run right now. And I'm not seeing much resistance except for right here. And that is probably our next level of interest. Now we're going to look over at the 90-day, the 1 hour, to get our key prices. And where I'm looking at it, I would love for it to get a nice base right here. I would love for it to have a new support, previous resistance, because if it bounces off of that, then it is very bullish. And this is at $9.95. So if we see buyers, and only if we see buyers, this is a really good trade to take at $9.95. If it does not work in our favor during that time, then the next level is $9.10. So if we go up to the $9.95 level and there are buyers, we could go all the way up to $11.20, but let's go a little bit down. So the next one would be at $10.96. So that would be our actual price target. So, and again, I'm seeing here that we are above the VWAP, which is excellent. I absolutely love that. And we can see that if we don't make it and there's no buyers right over there, then this 920 level would be a good level as well. So I'm just looking for this nice little support level and then to go all the way up to here. And we could always make new highs. It was 1164 previously. We could always make some new highs, and I will go over the news for that because it was pretty exciting as far as that is concerned. But if we look at the 5 minute, because you can also scalp this as well. I know it doesn't look like there's a lot of volume, but look at that. That's just so beautiful. We had a really nice day. It was very, very lovely. And it started over here. It looks like it formed a base at 1040, which is very nice. It looks like it's just going up and down, and then it just shot right up. And you can see this is one of the reasons I'm bullish as well, is because there's this beautiful bullishness at the end of the day. And that usually indicates that institutions won in on this, and they won in this very highly. So a lot of bullish pressure, which I love. And you can see about 2 days ago, B. Riley resumed ClearPoint Neuro with a buy rating and a $15 price target. And it's about $11 right now. They said they see significant opportunities with that. So that is the news, and it was very bullish, and we're very excited about that one. But I just wanted to show you This is the weekly, and it looks like it's making some good headway. We are seeing some resistance at the 200 MA, but if you can see this right here, and this is why I'm really excited about it, because the 20 MA looks like it's about to make a bullish crossing, and it looks like this low Bollinger Band is going up, which is really good, and it's very indicative that we might see some more buying pressure. And, if it goes through that 200 MA, it's just going to skyrocket and rally. And that's exactly what we want to see when we're traders and when we're swing traders. So can it get up to that level? Definitely. It just needs some buying pressure. Just make sure you're watching out for those key levels and that buying pressure. But we definitely have a lot of bullish momentum and a lot of things working for us, especially after this huge dip we've been seeing. So this is just something that I've been noticing. Again, please leave in the comments below. Let me know what stock you want me to analyze next. This was from someone who was asking if there are any stocks below 50, and of course there are, and this is one of my favorite stocks under $50 to check out, so be sure to check out this one for tomorrow. It's on the watch list. This is Supergirl Investor, here to save the world and make you wealthy so we can see all parents in yachts by 2025. Follow me on skingame.com and also Twitter, where we go over all the stock market news. I do a watch list. You can see all of my trades and how well they do, and have a beautiful, blessed day. Make some profit tomorrow.